Hello guys, my name is Shruti Soni from Creation Art World. I welcome all of you in our channel. So in today's video, we are going to show you the complete demonstration of relief art mural. In this video, everything will be very precise and very detailed, where you can clear all of your doubts. And one more thing guys, in the previous video which we uploaded, there were so many people who penned down their own doubts. They were a bit skeptical and they were asking few questions like whether it can be done with the help of cement or can be done with any kind of the materials, or is it only within India, or you can provide your service all across the world. So let me clear your doubts guys. This mural can be made up of any kind of materials as per your requirement and wish, and this is not only within India, this can be done across the world at any corner of the country guys, any corner of the country. Yes, you heard me right. People who are visiting our channel for the very first time, it is kindly being requested to subscribe. Do subscribe our channel, comment down in the comment below section, and if you want to know something more about it, then we have already mentioned our number in the description box, where you can go, you can contact us through WhatsApp, or you can also place a call to us. We are available for you 24/7 to assist you with the same. So guys, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe our channel, and please try to reach out this video to all the aesthetes who are as passionate, as determined, as dedicated as you towards all these things. Guys, we will come again with another video. Till that time, take care, stay happy, spread happiness. Thank you.